What's up YouTube, this is Paul here. So today we're going to be learning how to make a sandwich. Let's get started.
Before we go any further, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and also click that bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. Now back to the video.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is gather your supplies. So I have chips, bread, and the stuff to go on my sandwich. Ham, cheese, turkey, and celery. First thing you're going to want to do is take and put your turkey on. Next thing you're going to do is put your second piece of meat on, in this case ham. Now we're going to put our cheese on. Just a side note, make sure you take the plastic wrapping off if you're going to use American cheese. Typically I like cheddar, but in this case I bought American just in case if I decided to make a grilled sandwich, which I'm not doing that today, but I'm just thought I'd point that out. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is prepare your celery. So you need to go wash it with just cold water. Make sure it's all clean. And then you can take a steak knife. Make sure you cut away from yourself. And cut this all up. So then you can put it on your sandwich. Or if you're going to do this with any other kind of vegetables, do that too. So I got my celery on. I don't recommend eating the leaves. You can if you want, but I'm not going to. And then the next thing we do is we're going to put some chips on now. A lot of people don't like the chips, and to be honest, if you're packing this in lunch, leave the chips off and put them on later. Chips are on, so we're going to put our other side on. Now, the reason why I ripped this bread, I bought sourdough bread because why not? And it's a little bit odd size, and I don't need a whole lot of bread because it's a bunch of filler. Then you're going to turn the sandwich over like that, and typically you should put the mustard on first, or any whatever other toppings you're using. So I'm going to do that now. If it'll come out. And there we go. Made a sandwich. Not too bad. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll have links down to where you can buy stuff to make your own sandwich on Amazon. Also, and other retailers. Also, make sure pro tip, if you pack a sandwich in a sandwich baggie and you're going to keep it cold and in a lunchbox, take and wrap a napkin or a paper towel around it before you put it in the sandwich baggie. For one, it keeps it from getting all soggy, and second, it gives you something to wipe your hands with once you get done eating. Remember, with that said, any of this is optional. You can build sandwiches how you want, but this is how I built my sandwich. I'll see you guys next time.